In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe Express account using the best method available. Whether you're new to using Stripe or just need a little guidance, this video will walk you through the process step by step. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the settings, which you can find in the top corner of your screen. This area is the nerve center of your Stripe account, where you manage various elements of your payment setup. After navigating to the settings, find and select the option that says Connect under the product settings. This Connect feature is crucial as it facilitates your access to Stripe's extended capabilities, including the Express account setup. Next, you'll notice an Onboarding Options section. Click on this to proceed further into your Stripe account configuration. The onboarding options are designed to make your experience smooth and flexible, allowing you to customize your setup according to your specific needs and preferences. This part of the process might seem a bit technical, but don't worry, it's straightforward once you get into it. After you click, you'll be prompted to select the countries where you want your Stripe Express account to be active. Look for the list of countries available. You can select the ones you want by ticking the box next to each country's name. If you're managing payments across multiple locations, this step is essential to ensure your Stripe account can handle payments no matter where your customers are located. Once you've selected your desired countries, you need to scroll down a bit further until you find the option for payments. Here, it's crucial to tick the box next to payments. By doing so, you're affirming that you want your Stripe Express account to handle transactions. This setting ensures that all your expected payment activity is correctly set up to flow through Stripe's infrastructure without a hitch. And last but not least, it's time to lock in everything you've configured. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a Save button. Go ahead and click it. This step is incredibly important because any changes you've made won't take effect until you save them. By doing so, you're securing all your customizations and affirming your Stripe Express account settings exactly the way you want them. There you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up your Stripe Express account using the best method available. By following these steps, you've ensured that your account is perfectly prepared to manage payments swiftly and securely. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.